This professional dog chiropractor gives these dogs much needed relief.
Gut. Ja. Alles gut. Alles gut. Tat weh?
Would you trust him with your dog?